Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video, and give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video as well. If you're a returning subscriber, you are absolutely welcome. Do same by liking this video and commenting and sharing this video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to prepare a butt and hip enlargement oil. If you want to learn how to do this, please keep on watching. The ingredients I'll be showing you guys used to prepare this butt and hip enlargement oil has been used over the years and has given maximum results to those who have tried it out. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So first and foremost, I'll be using Vaseline. You can use any one you have, but for me, I'm using my Blue Seal Vaseline. Vaseline has been confirmed to increase the size of your butt over time. So the next thing you need is olive oil. I'm just using this one by Goya, and olive oil can increase the size of your butt and hip naturally, so it acts as a massage oil for your butt. So the most important thing you will need is fish oil, and fish oil has fat nutrients in it, and it increases the size of your butt by absorbing into the fat cells. I'm grabbing a mixing bowl, and this is the bowl I use to mix everything. Don't forget to pick up a storage container to store your product after production. Starting off, I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of the Vaseline and putting it into a bowl. Now I'll be putting 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. So now I'm just going to start stirring and mixing the whole thing together. Try as much as possible to dissolve the Vaseline in the olive oil. So now I'm just going to cut open the fish oil and pour in the oil into the mixture. Now I stir in everything together. I stir it properly and incorporate the oils together. Guys, before you put this on your butt skin, you need to do a wear test on your fist. Apply the product there and do a wear test. If you react, discontinue this, but if you don't react, it's safe enough to apply on your butt cheek. So guys, this is the way you should massage it on your butt cheek. Massage it in a circular motion. Do this morning and night for maximum result. It will encourage blood flow around the butt area and enhance butt enlargement. So guys, transfer your product into a clean storage container and keep it in a cool, dry place. Please endeavor you use this morning and night to get maximum results. When you're out of product, you can always prepare new one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.